Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Are you ready to add some rustic charm and long-lasting beauty to your tiny home? Let me introduce you to Yakisugi, an ancient Japanese technique that's making a big comeback. It's also known as Shou Sugi Ban. Yakisugi involves charring wood with fire to create a stunning, durable, and weather-resistant finish. Imagine your tiny home standing out with a unique, eye-catching facade. Imagine the satisfaction of achieving this look with your own two hands. That's the magic of Yakisugi. It's easier than you think, and the results are incredibly rewarding. Get ready to embark on a rewarding DIY adventure that will transform your tiny home. Yakisugi isn't just about good looks, it's about creating a resilient and low-maintenance exterior for your home. The charring process creates a protective layer that acts as a natural preservative. This makes the wood incredibly durable. Think about it, Yakisugi can withstand the test of time, resisting rot, decay, pests, and even fire itself. Plus, it requires minimal upkeep, saving you time and effort in the long run. Did I mention it's eco-friendly too? Yakisugi uses an all-natural process and enhances the wood's natural properties. This makes it a sustainable and environmentally conscious choice for your tiny home. Now let's talk about wood. Choosing the right wood is crucial for a successful Yakisugi project. You want wood that is naturally durable and has a beautiful grain pattern. Some popular choices for Yakisugi are cedar, pine, Douglas fir, and spruce. Cedar is known for its beautiful reddish tones and natural resistance to insects and decay. Pine is a more affordable option with a lovely straight grain. Douglas fir is incredibly strong and durable, perfect for high-traffic areas. Spruce offers a fine, even grain and a light, natural color. Each wood species brings its own unique charm to the table. So take your time, explore the options, and choose the one that speaks to you. Before we fire things up, let's prioritize safety. Yakisugi involves working with fire, so taking precautions is absolutely essential. First and foremost, always work in a well-ventilated outdoor area away from flammable materials. Wear appropriate safety gear, including heat-resistant gloves, eye protection, and a respirator mask to protect yourself from fumes. Keep a fire extinguisher and a bucket of water or sand nearby in case of any unexpected flames. Remember, safety is not an option, it's a necessity. By taking the right precautions, you can fully enjoy the process and achieve stunning results while staying safe. Now that we've covered safety, let's move on to the exciting part, the burning process. Fire up the charm, the Yakisugi process. Now let's dive into the heart of Yakisugi, the burning process. There are a few different methods, but we'll focus on the most common and accessible one. You'll need a propane torch, a wire brush, and a spray bottle filled with water. Start by securing your wood boards to a stable surface. Light your propane torch and adjust the flame to a blue color, indicating high heat. Hold the torch a few inches away from the wood and move it evenly across the surface. You'll notice the wood start to darken and char. Aim for a consistent char layer, but don't worry about making it perfectly uniform. Remember, the beauty of Yakisugi lies in its organic, natural variations. Once you've achieved the desired level of charring, use the spray bottle to carefully extinguish the flames. Allow the wood to cool completely before moving on to the next step. Brushing up, revealing the texture. With the burning complete, it's time to bring out the true beauty of the charred wood. This is where the wire brush comes in. Gently brush the surface of the charred wood, working in the direction of the grain. As you brush, you'll notice the softer, charred layers revealing the beautiful wood grain beneath. The amount of brushing you do will determine the final look of your Yakisugi finish. For a more rustic look, brush more vigorously to expose deeper layers. For a more subtle, refined look, brush lightly. Experiment with different brushing techniques to achieve the desired level of texture and depth. This step allows you to truly customize the look of your Yakisugi finish. A protective embrace, sealing and preserving. Your Yakisugi masterpiece is almost complete, but before you install it, it's essential to seal and protect the wood to ensure its longevity. Sealing helps to preserve the beautiful charred finish, prevents fading, and provides an extra layer of weather resistance. There are several options for sealing Yakisugi, including natural oils, waxes, and exterior-grade sealants. Natural oils like linseed oil or tung oil penetrate deep into the wood, enhancing its natural beauty and providing a durable finish. Waxes create a breathable barrier that repels water and protects against UV damage. Exterior-grade sealants offer maximum protection against the elements and are ideal for high-traffic areas. Choose the sealant that best suits your needs and apply it according to the manufacturer's instructions. From boards to beauty, installing your masterpiece. Now that your Yakisugi boards are sealed and protected, it's time to install them and transform your tiny home's facade. Installing Yakisugi boards is similar to installing any other type of siding. You can attach them directly to the studs or use a rain screen system for added ventilation. Use stainless steel screws or nails to prevent rusting and ensure a long-lasting installation. When installing the boards, consider the pattern and spacing. You can opt for a classic horizontal or vertical layout or get creative with diagonal or herringbone patterns. Adding space between the boards allows for natural expansion and contraction of the wood. Design inspiration, unleashing your inner artist. One of the most exciting aspects of Yakisugi is its versatility in design. The unique charred finish adds a touch of rustic elegance to any space. Consider combining different char levels and wood species to create visual interest. For a modern look, opt for a deep char and minimal brushing, paired with sleek metal accents. To achieve a more rustic aesthetic, choose a lighter char with visible brushstrokes and natural wood tones. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your creativity shine. Yakisugi can also be used for interior accent walls, furniture, and even flooring. The possibilities are endless. Gap 3S. Caring for your creation. Maintaining your Yakisugi masterpiece. Once you've installed your Yakisugi treated wood, it's important to know how to maintain its beauty and durability. Regularly check for any signs of wear or damage, especially in high-traffic areas or where the wood is exposed to the elements. A simple cleaning with a soft brush and mild soap can remove dirt and grime. For exterior applications, consider reapplying a UV protective sealant every couple of years to keep the wood from fading. If you notice any cracks or splits, use a wood filler to repair them and then touch up the charred finish with a small torch or heat gun. Remember, the unique texture and character of Yakisugi come from its imperfections, so embrace the natural aging process while keeping your masterpiece in top shape. With proper care, your Yakisugi wood will continue to be a stunning feature in your home for many years to come. Gap 3S Yakisugi in modern architecture, bridging tradition and innovation. As we delve into the world of modern architecture, Yakisugi has found a unique place, blending seamlessly with contemporary design elements. Architects and designers are increasingly incorporating this ancient technique into their projects, not just for its aesthetic appeal, but also for its durability and eco-friendliness. Imagine sleek, minimalist structures adorned with the rich, textured beauty of charred wood. The contrast between modern materials like glass and steel with the organic, natural feel of Yakisugi creates a striking visual harmony. Whether it's used for exterior cladding, interior feature walls, or even furniture, Yakisugi adds a layer of depth and sophistication to any design. Moreover, Yakisugi is highly sustainable. By using locally sourced wood and reducing the need for chemical treatments, it aligns perfectly with the growing emphasis on eco-friendly building practices. So if you're looking to add a touch of tradition to your modern home or simply want to make a bold architectural statement, consider Yakisugi. It's a timeless technique that continues to inspire and evolve, proving that sometimes the best innovations come from looking to the past. Gap 2S. Now let's explore how you can transform your home with Yakisugi. Gap 3S. Hey everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into something super cool, Yakisugi. It's like taking a trip back in time to old Japan, where this awesome art started way back in the Edo period. Think of it like this. Yakisugi, which some people call Shou Sugi Ban, is all about making wood super strong and weatherproof. They do this by burning the wood's surface. And guess what? It not only makes it tough, but also brings out the wood's natural beauty. Gap 2S. Yakisugi actually means burnt cedar in Japanese, and traditionally they use Japanese cedar wood. The process is pretty simple. You carefully burn the wood, let it cool down, and then clean it up. What you get is this amazing textured surface. This whole thing started because people needed to protect their wood, but now it's become a famous type of art. Gap 2S. Yakisugi is more than just burning wood. It's like a way of thinking that celebrates all the little quirks and imperfections in the wood and turns them into something amazing. Every Yakisugi piece has its own story to tell, with the patterns and textures showing the artist's touch and the fire that shaped it. Gap 2S. Nowadays, factories make tons of stuff quickly, but Yakisugi reminds us that good craftsmanship and tradition are still important. It's like a bridge between the old ways and new ideas, using ancient wisdom with modern twists. Gap 2S. Whether you're a woodworking pro or just like to do projects around the house, trying Yakisugi is like connecting with history and bringing a piece of it into your home. It's not just about making things look pretty, it's about creating a space with meaning and character. Gap 2S. So, when you start your Yakisugi project, think about the people who did this before you and the tradition you're now part of. Let the fire guide you, and hopefully what you create will last a long time, just like Yakisugi has for centuries. Gap 2S. Alright, let's see how you can use Yakisugi to make your home even more awesome. Embrace the flame. Transform your home with Yakisugi. Yakisugi is more than just a woodworking technique, it's an art form. It's about connecting with an ancient tradition, embracing the beauty of imperfection, and creating a home that reflects your unique style. So, gather your materials, prioritize safety, and embark on this rewarding DIY adventure. Transform your tiny home with the timeless elegance of Yakisugi, and experience the joy of creating something truly special with your own two hands. Happy burning!